How to add or remove exclusions in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to add or remove exclusions in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the search icon, and from the search, you need to search for settings. Once you've searched for settings, you need to click on that. And then after coming over to your settings, you need to just simply go with privacy and security, which will be on the left side. Once you click on it, you need to go with Windows Security. Click on the Windows Security, and then you will find an option of virus and threat protection. You need to click on it. And under virus and threat protection, here you will have manage settings. Click on manage settings under your virus and threat protection settings. Once you do that, you will get this kind of interface. You need to just simply go with the exclusions option, which might be on the bottom. Once you find the exclusions, you will have add or remove exclusions on the bottom. Click on that again. Click on yes. And then if you want to add an exclusion, you need to just simply go with add. And then you can select file, folder, or file type, or the process. I'll just simply go with the file and select the file or a folder, and the exclusion will be added. Or if you want to remove the exclusion, then you can just simply go with the trash icon, which will be on the right side, and it will be removed. That's how you can add or remove exclusions in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.